working on the final challenge in the list copying lesson, also the final challenge of the list functions and methods unit. We're told in the code cell below, complete the following. Make a copy of starting list in a variable called sliced copy by indexing the whole list to make a copy. So we're going to go sliced copy is equal to starting list from the start to the finish. So that's our first one. Second bullet point says we're going to make a copy of the starting list using the built-in copy method and call it copy. So copy is equal to starting list dot copy. And then our third bullet point says make a copy of starting list in a variable called list copy by using the built-in list function. So here I've got list copy equal to use the list function, and here I have my starting list. Now I've made all of my copies, 3 different ways to make copies. We should be in good shape. Looks like I do have a typo somewhere, missing an I in line 5. And we can see we're making copies. So that's it for copying. That's it for list functions and methods. Next up, we are moving on to list iteration, for loops, while loops, things of that nature. Look forward to seeing you over there in those lessons.